my channel. And so today I'll be doing something that has been requested of me for a very long time, and I keep putting it off. So let's just get into it. So everyone knows that the best part of my makeup routine is doing my brows, and I take my utmost time with it, and that's one of the main parts of my makeup that I always get complimented on. And so it has been requested for me to do a video. I did one in the past, but I guess I changed my routine up a bit, so I'm gonna show you guys what I use. So it's just some simple stuff that you would need to do your brows: a beauty blender, your concealer, your brow pencil or pomade, a flat brush, your spoolie brush, and a mascara or a brow gel. I use mascara because it works best for me. So let's get right into it, guys. So I'm just grooming my brows here. Then I'm just gonna take my brow pencil and just line my brows and fill it in a bit. You can use a brow pomade if it works best for you. I'm now going to use my spoolie brush just to brush that in, ensure there's no harsh lines, there's not too much product built up in one area. I'm now going to use my mascara. You guys can use a brow gel if that works nice with you, but I prefer the mascara because it helps to keep my brows in place throughout the day and also to fill in any small gaps. And because my brow pencil is brown and not an extremely dark brown, it kind of helps complement and matches my hair. It's looking a little crazy now, but every pot of mud turns out into a beautiful artwork. So you gotta look ugly before you look pretty, okay? Just gonna use my spoolie brush just to blend that out, ensure that mascara clumps isn't in one area and it's all even. Now for the fun part, I'm using a flat brush with my LA Girl concealer in the color Chestnut, and look at that, guys. Tell me you didn't see a transformation right away. Like, oh my gosh, look at that. Told ya. Told ya. I'm just gonna blend that out a bit with a flat brush. Ensure the lines is smooth and neat and straight and you know, all of that. I'm singing stuffy because my allergies raised this morning and I can't stop snuffing. It's sickening. So I'm just gonna do the same thing at the top of my lash. I'm gonna do the same thing at the top of my brows, guys. And I'm using this shade because it's my skin color, and you don't want to use a light color under your eyes and at the top of your brow as well, and your brow bone and on the top, because you're gonna have halo eyes, and who likes that? No one likes halo eyes. Ew. And I'm just gonna blend that out with the flat brush as much as I can. I'm gonna take my pencil once again just to fill in wherever is patchy and where I might have accidentally wiped off with my concealer while cleaning up my brows. And I'm just gonna repeat the process until I am comfortable it can just melt away and look so neat and so nice. You can use a brush if you wish, but I find this to work best at times. That brow was giving me a hard time, guys. It's really, really testing me. So I'm just gonna fade in front of the brow now, just so that it can has a gradient. And once you have a gradient in your brow where it starts from light to dark, it looks so beautiful. Is you don't want a harsh brow, and if the front of your brow is too harsh, then it looks very ugly. So you let that die down, be gradient. It forms like a gradient line, like it's light to dark. And there you have it, guys, the perfect brow, my perfect brow. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, comment. Let me know what other videos I can make, and yeah, see you guys later. Love ya.